Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can turn off UI navigation in Roblox. Now, if you didn't know what UI navigation is, that is when you're running around like this and then all of a sudden you stop and this UI navigation enabled thing comes up in the bottom right corner. And if this has happened to you, you've probably been smashing your keyboard trying to figure out how to undo this. So let's jump into it. I'm going to show you how you can undo that right now. So it's actually really easy. You just want to go ahead and click escape. And this will take us to this kind of settings tab. So from here, we want to go to the top and look for help, which we can find right here. So what this basically is all the keybinds that we use to play the game normally. However, as you can see, under miscellaneous, there is one option called UI selection toggle. Now, what we want to do is basically take note of whatever this is. In my case, it's hashtag. So if I go back and press hashtag, as you can see, it's now fixed my issue and I'm now able to play Roblox again. So that's really all you have to do. You just got to go in your settings and make sure that... So that's all you really have to do. You just have to go into your settings and remember what key it is that you use to toggle that. You could also get rid of it if you really want. So hopefully after you've completed that step, you can run around like I am now and you won't have to deal... And you won't have to deal with this problem where you just get stuck. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you successfully managed to turn off UI navigation inside of Roblox. If you did, please comment down below to say that helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.